Diving right into the video of today on how to become a chat operator and work from anywhere in the world and have the potential of earning up to $200 to $300 weekly from the comfort of your home. And this can be done either through a mobile device or a laptop. Let's dive in. So there are basically three steps that you're going to do in your application. So as you can see here, they're talking about a simple application process, right? So once you just fill this simple first step application, you send in the application, you're gonna receive an email. And when you receive that email from your end, then you can continue from there. But let's look at basically what it looks like. So there is the easy application that they say, and they say the first part of the application is just basically filling in that information, ID verification, and then training. And if you're curious about what will you be chatting about, so basically there are many Americans that are just lonely and need somebody to talk to, so it can vary from weather to what have you eaten today. Like, it can be really anything. So if you're just someone that is creative, engaging, entertaining, and you can create these chats, then that is a great thing because you'll be able to earn more. In terms of the salary, excuse my voice, guys. In terms of the salary, so you can actually earn from 200, 300, or even more per week, and the advanced agents are able to even earn up to 3,000 weekly. And their means of payment, so they need this identification, because for them to even pay you legally, you need to be 18 years and above. That's why the ID even comes in place. There are different means where they pay you either, but it's like a euro. They pay you in euro. So there are different things that play in this. They can send it directly to your bank account or through other platforms like BWise. And then their bonuses is flexible and you're paid weekly. So whatever you work for the week, that is what you receive. So the more messages you send or respond to, that is what they use to calculate. And it also depends on the different times. So if you actually respond to messages well during the peak times, you're able to earn more. If that makes sense, yes, you're able to earn more if you work during those times where they actually need a lot of people. And if there are times when they don't need so many people, the pay might be slightly less. You have to be 18 years and above. There are privacy statements and contract terms that you have to follow. You're responsible for your own equipment. They're not gonna send you a computer or a phone. You have to have your own phone, internet, and all of that good stuff. But basically, you need either a computer, your phone, and a fast internet. Nobody wants to send you a message and you're taking forever to reply just because your internet is not good, right? And then if you're curious about why they need your ID, just because legally you have to be 18 years and above, even for them to be able to pay you, they need you to have that age limit. So this is just a breakdown of what it looks like for week 1, week 2, and week 4 plus. Like the first week you're probably earning the least because you're still trying to understand exactly how the platform works and all of that good stuff. The second week it gets better because you like familiarize yourself, okay, these are the topics that I can talk about, this is what I come in prepared with. Like, with every job it gets better as the weeks go by, right? So don't be discouraged if your first week you're not earning crazy amount of money, but just know that with time you become an expert and you can earn more. Just a summary of exactly what the whole thing looks like. You must be a master of English and writing. You must, like, you be communicating in English. You cannot make grammatical errors here and there. Yes, it can be fun and all of that stuff, but try to write as accurately, correctly as possible, right? So you have to respond through like fantasy responses and all of that stuff. So you must like really make it engaging. Just imagine talking with your friend or somebody and they're gisting like that. But the good thing with this one is it's anonymous. Nobody knows exactly who you are. They have no idea. They really keep your identification very private and secret. So it's just like talking to somebody that you never meet, you never see, no information is shared, and that is it. You must have your own equipment, as I earlier mentioned. Nobody's gonna send you a computer or anything like that. So is clear. They will not give you that and all of that good information. These are just some reviews of some of the freelancers that have been working there and how they feel about it. As a single mother of two kids, it has changed her life. The flexibility changed Leona's life, and someone with disabilities that was working there or is working there also has something great to say. So if you're disabled, you're like, what can I do to have money? I don't just want to be relying on my parents and just, yeah, feeling like that kind of feeling, you have nothing to offer. This is a great thing for you. If you're just a mother and you have kids, you don't know how to manage that, going out to work. Worst of all, you're a single mother. How do you manage all of this? How do you take care of them and still be able to from the comfort of your home? This is also a great source for you, and you don't need like to have a bachelor's degree to necessarily qualify. So if you're like, I've not even gone to school, and what can I do that will still put food on my table? This is something great, and at the same time, you're technically having fun with it, because why not? I mean, chatting with people, chatting with your friends is amazing, but what are you gaining from it, right? But if you can chat for money, that's a bonus, gain. And it's anonymous. Nobody is asking you, why did you say this? What did you say that? No. Of course, when you go through the training, there's a training process that you have to go through. Then you understand better exactly the things you can say, how to say them, what it entails, how to write these messages, like all of that good stuff. But just knowing, keeping it at the back of your mind that this is something very lucrative, as to say the least. Yeah. And there's some people that actually take it as full-time jobs. They work, like, they wake up, they work from 8 or to they work 8 hours a day, like it's their thing. And you can imagine how much they're earning. They're probably even earning good money than most people in Africa that are working even government jobs. So, guys, sincerely, I mean, coming from Africa and knowing exactly how things are there, I know this might really help one or two people there. So, if you come across this video and you think that's gonna help somebody out there that's wondering, what do I do in my life? What can I do? I've graduated, I don't even know what to do. How do I earn money online rather than just wasting data watching videos, Instagram here and there, Facebook, listening to all the gossips? This is a better way to channel that data. And please be mindful that when you're doing your application, try to be intentional about it, right? So when you reach the point where they're asking you to why are you a best candidate for this job, please be intentional. Take your time to write in good English, give them reasons according to the job description and why you are a good fit for this job. Please, guys, that is how you stand out and stand a higher chance of getting approved. If you have difficulties with writing when you reach at that point, you can reach out to me and we formulate something for you. It's not a completely free service, but it's quite affordable. So, guys, but if you can do it on your own, I wish you all the best, all the luck, and I'm just here to please subscribe, because I mean, I'm gonna put in all of this amazing content there from time to time. So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and see you guys in my next video. Until we meet again, please stay blessed. Bye for now.